What is up, guys? Welcome to your 21st intermediate Java tutorial, and in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to put actual Java programs called applets on the web. So I'm going to be putting mine on thenewboston.com just because it's a little site for me to test on. So the very first thing that you want to do is, if you're using Eclipse, and I assume you are, instead of just coding it right in here, what we need to do is we actually need to get the class file for your HTML tags in here, beginning, and go ahead and put your body tags in there as well. Body, body, and then the tag that you use specifically for applet is, yep, you guessed it, applet, right like that. And this actually has an ending tag, and nothing's gonna go in it. And the only thing that you need to do is you need to add a couple attributes in the opening tag, of course the opening tag. So first thing you need to do is write code and set this equal to the class that you're going to be using, which is pretty much a program. And I'm going to set mine equal to Bucky.class, and the only two other attributes you need is the width and the height. So I'm going to set my width equal to, and this is how big your applet's going to be. I'm going to set it equal to like 400 or something. And I'm going to set my height equal to, I don't know, 100. That sounds about good. So go ahead and save this, and save it as, I'm going to save it as index.html. And I'm going to save it right to my desktop as well, and copy that and paste it again to get my colors good. And now let me just check everything one last time. And another thing you want to take note of, make sure that you never put the when you're doing the height and width, never put it more than 1024 wide and 768 tall, because on your computer monitor and computer screen, that would be bigger than the average computer screen, so you probably don't want to do that unless you're like writing a really specific applet for just a few people. But anyways, that's just your general tip. So now what we have on my desktop is an index for my home page and a class file. So what do we do from here? Well, I already have a website set up at let me minimize pop up. So option and there we go, right there. It was messing up, but it's good now. So now we can see, and you usually want to put your class file, which is your program, in the same directory as the website that calls the applet. So now let's go to the newboston.com and see if it worked. And there we go. Our applet pops up right on the index, the home page, and it says, wow, this actually worked. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little square right here that's 100 by 400 or whatever I named it. So that's the basics of how to take an applet or a Java program, and now instead of having to put it on a CD and send it to all my friends, I can just say, hey guys, just go to this website, and anyone who looks at this website can see my applet. So that's the beauty of that, and that's how you can share Java programs with the rest of the world. So that's enough for this tutorials. I don't want your guys' minds to blow up. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next tutorial.